back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to set up Remnux. So Remnux is a really great tool. It's a toolkit for malware analysis. So it says Remnux, a Linux toolkit for malware analysis. Remnux is a Linux toolkit for reverse engineering and analyzing malicious software. Remnux provides a curated collection of free tools created by the community. Analysts can use it and investigate malware without having to find, install, and configure the tools. So go here, click on the download link. From the download link, you'll go here, go down a little bit, and then it'll say download the general OVA from the box. So click on that, and then you'll have the OVA. So from there, what you can do is you go into VirtualBox or whichever hypervisor you have, and then you can go to here, and then you can select your OVA, which is for me in my downloads. Right there, you just click open, click next, specify it with what it needs for features, and then you're good. So that's really all it is. Remnux is a great tool and able to use, so I'm going to be using it for cyber defenders. So if you're interested in setting it up, set up along with me, use this video, and then you'll be able to go back, and then I would say the only things that you want to really add for the specs, you might want to give it more RAM, and that'd probably be about it. Give it more cores, CPU, give it more RAM, and then that should be all that's really needed. And then yeah, I'd probably give it about 4, and then 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM should be good. So like, subscribe, peace. Thanks for watching.